Here I have Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Now choose power off and let's tap power off one more time just to confirm the operation. So let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then you need to use the following combination of keys: power key, volume up and home button. So let's hold down these three keys for a couple of seconds. Release all of them as soon as Samsung Galaxy A5 logo pops up on the screen. As you can see, the no command screen pops up, so now let's start holding power key, and while holding power, let's press volume up once. This is the Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power button to confirm it. Then scroll down to choose yes and press power key to choose it. Right now the device is wiping the cache files. Android recovery pops up again on the screen, so now all you need to do is simply press power key to reboot system now. Now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so now you can start using your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.